Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, make sure you click that subscribe button. And if you're not, make sure you comment and share this video. So today I'm going to be putting together my hookah. I had a hookah a couple years ago and it broke. So today I just decided to get me one because why not? So yeah, I'm showing y'all my tips. They had like 4 for $1. I got my favorite color. You already know, purple. This hook was actually cute. I really do like it. Like, yeah. So I'm just taking out all the pieces. I haven't even opened it yet. This is my first time opening it, so just taking out all the pieces. Yes, so that purple. I love it. I love it. So I've already put water. Make sure it's real cold so your smoke can be popping. Next thing, I'm going to put the top on it. Make sure no air holes are seeping through because you want to be blowing the full effect of your smoke. So make sure everything is tight and sealed.
Okay, y'all, so we at the photo shoot. Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So go now, what you do. That's why I'm spend my life with you. Won't please you any way I can.
These are my foils. I got the ones with the holes already in them because I'm lazy and I'm not trying to be poking holes in foil every time I want to do my hookah. Like, you know, I did it the first time. That's why I already know. So, yeah, this time, pre-holes on these holes. And I got me some cherry and watermelon flavor shisha. What is shisha? I think I was singing it in my head. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do the watermelon. This is how it looks out the pack. I'm gonna open it and let's get this going.
Okay, y'all, so we at the photo shoot. Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a
Now, when you
chemistry.
pack your bowl, you want to pack your shisha around the rim of your bowl. You really don't want to have it like covering the holes in the middle because you're not going to get a good smoke effect. It's going to be like smothering it. So put the shisha around the bowl. And then you want to seal your aluminum foil, seal it airtight, make sure ain't no holes, make sure ain't no seeps in there. Yeah, just make sure everything is intact. And you'll put that thing on top of there, push it down, make sure there ain't no gaps in my coals.
Okay, y'all. So we at the photo shoot.
And I was gonna use a tip, but I decided not to. This is my shit.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and
They
take your
saying you wanna light
place.
the
The love you
coals.
give, it can't be
God damn, I thought I was lighting a
replaced.
firecracker when I looked at that shit the first time. It was just too crazy. Well,
Just
you'll
got
like the coals.
lost in my
It's doing a little sparkle effect, as
melodies.
y'all see.
Any way I can,
Giving y'all a little
wish my
early 4th of
world,
July
don't you
vibe.
understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a good feeling all day long.
So yeah, now I'm just gonna plug in my holes. And yeah, voila. I have put my hookah together and it is smoking. I actually lit another coal and set it on top of my other coal. So yeah, it's really hitting now. Holla at me. I got the best hookah hitting skills in Charlotte.
Okay, y'all. So we at the photo shoot. Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you,
But
I feel
yeah,
like chemistry.
it's nothing
I
but
won't
good
let no
vibes.
one come and take your
Nothing but
place.
good vibes
The
this
love you
way.
give, it can't be
Chilling, smoking my hookah,
replaced.
minding my business in my own lane, in my own little world. Y'all know how I do. Y'all know I play too much. Thank y'all for stopping by and watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Be on the lookout for my next videos. I think I'm going to be testing out each shisha, and I will definitely let y'all know which one I like. Good night. Peace.